Ladies and gentlemen, this is the famous Nithi River here in Nithi County in Kenya, Africa. You can see how the water is raging fast and fast and fast. Any attempt to step on that water, you get swept by that water. You can see some people come here to chill, drink some few beers here and there, and they throw litter just around. So yeah. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is Nithi River. Here we have the old bridge that was built in the 1980s, and as you can see, there's been logging that has happened here around, and this other side also logging has been done. And then there is construction that is taking place. As you all know, that Nithi Bridge is being built afresh, and the Chinese company Wuyi Company has been given contract to repair this bridge into a suspension bridge. So up there we have the existing tarmac. We have the existing tarmac. I think you can see vehicles crossing. Then this is the old bridge. The old bridge. Then there is a resort that has been constructed around. Let's go and see. Let's go and see it. It's a resort around here. It's called Pacha Annex. Just on the banks of River Nithi, we have a hotel here. At the periphery of River Nithi. What a beautiful view from the river Nithi. Soon there will be a suspension bridge that will be constructed here in days to come. The contractor has already started setting the ground, and in a month's time I think you will be fully on the ground for the same construction of the bridge. Then here we are going to go up using the staircase. There is a staircase here built with odd tires. Odd tires. Odd tires. Yes. Oof. Hey. That is the view. Once I'm up there, I will show you where the contractor that is building the suspension bridge has set his tools ready for construction of the suspension bridge. Enjoy the staircase up and up and up, up and up and up we go. Before we finish the staircase, you can see the old road that is still in use. That is what is being exchanged. And that is the site of the China Huyi company that is ready to construct a suspension bridge from around that point where we have three electrical posts, up until the other side of the valley. So let's continue climbing. Let's continue climbing the staircase. Let's continue climbing the staircase, boys. Up to the viewpoint. We have a viewpoint up here. Let's go up. Almost. Yeah, that is where the China Huyi company is setting its base, ready for construction of a suspension bridge. That will fly just as the power cables you see running there. Let's go to the viewpoint. Here we have the Nithi viewpoint. So this road here will be changed such that there will be a flying and a suspension bridge right from this corner here, right from that corner, and then it will fly overhead up to that other corner there. You can see up to that point. And then this whole road now will remain redundant. They will remain redundant to be used by anybody who wishes to use it. Here we have a small resort. We have a small resort here. We have a small resort there, and here we have the Nithi viewpoint. The Nithi viewpoint. Nithi viewpoint. For more updates about the construction of the Nithi bridge, please follow this channel. Remember to hit the bell button so that anytime there is updates, you will be seeing them. Now I'm taking you to a very better point where you can see the construction site of China Wuyi company that has been granted the contract to build the road for $7 billion. $7 billion. So from a far distance, that is the site, the construction site. The construction site of Nithi Bridge. And then where we have 3 posts, it is where the bridge will be straightened, and it will start from running just the same way the power cables are running up to somewhere above on the other side of the river, up to that point there, such that now this old bridge will be redundant. It will be redundant. It will be redundant. Down here we have a resort. We have a resort there called Pacha Annex. Pacha Annex. If you wish that I take you through Nithi River, then you can do so by writing me an email. There are Airbnb around, you can stay around, it's no problem. So please, if you find this video inspiring, remember to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.